Welcome to Literacy Toolbelt, the Superpowers Within Texas Assistive Technology Network project from 2019. The Superpowers Within is designed for you to discover tools that your students need for success, such as reading detectors, text-to-speech being one of those, word powers such as dictionary and thesaurus, translation, writing accelerators such as speech to text, visual strategizers such as graphic organizers or tools that reduce visual distractions, and mastery revealers, tools that allow students to show mastery other than a paper pencil task. Please pause this video for a moment and create a name tent. Although we're not face to face, you will use this name tent as your informal note taker. So let's start our introduction. Let's talk about how instructional technology is the same and different as assistive technology. In the image above, a student has written a piece of paper, paragraph, and then chosen to put it into the computer in a word processing program, and you can see the final product on the right. Using the word processing tool, such as Microsoft Word or Google Docs, is an instructional technology tool. In this example, the student's work on the left is what it looks like when the student creates a paragraph or written response. It's difficult to read, it's incomplete, it might be torn or scribbled, things might be crossed out and erased. However, when the student puts it into the computer and uses a word processing tool such as Microsoft Word or Google Docs, the final product on the right is drastically different than what the student was able to complete without the technology tool. In that case, the student requires assistive technology to produce grade level appropriate work. Another example might be social media or communication tools. Many students use tools such as Twitter, Facebook, or Pinterest to communicate. That's instructional technology. However, there are some students who use a specific communication device such as LAMP, Words for Power on an iPad, or an Accent 800 device from PRC. In this case, without the device, the student is not able to communicate as well. In that case, it's assistive technology. Many of these decisions are made using a SET framework. The SET framework was designed by Joy Zabala. Additional information can be found on her website, along with training guides. The SET framework basically goes over a description of the student, the environments that the student is working in, and tasks that the student needs to complete in order for the team to choose the best technology tools that the student needs for success. When choosing assistive technology tools, we look at the set and think through, what do we want to see change? Do we want to increase the student's speed of task completion? Do we want to increase the quality or the quantity of work the student is able to complete? Take a moment to read through this list. Let's go back to your name tent that you created as an informal note-taking guide. Open it up inside and write a student's name at the top that you want to have in mind as you complete this course.